Hi, I'm Tom with Waves Remodeling. We're here in lovely San Ramon. We just finished great kitchen remodeling project, but let's get inside and hear what our clients have to say. And now that we're here and everything is done and completed, let's hear it from my wonderful clients and let's see what they have to say.
My name is Devraj. This is my wife, Chitra. We are from San Ramon. We wanted to get our kitchen remodel done. We tried to find multiple construction agents and the way they presented, we were not that convinced, and we approached Waves Remodeling. And I got a chance to meet Mr. Tom. He was talking in terms of accuracy, which we pretty much got impressed on that. Not everyone, they used to approximately take measurements, but the moment he entered, he started focusing on taking the right measurements. Pretty much impressed on that. And after having a discussion with my wife, she also felt the same thing, and we decided to go with Waves Remodeling. And that is when we started our project with Waves. And from the beginning, Tom has been very supportive, and he's been friendly with us, and he's been consistently following the progress of the work every day, almost every day. And he used to identify the right things, the utilities, all the materials, and he used to recommend all those things. And based on his words only, I didn't even have a second thought. I just believed him, and I decided to go with that. Yeah, thanks Tom for all this, and thanks for your consistent support. And we are really glad about it.
With pleasure.
Thank you.
With pleasure.